Hi, this is Derek Ferguson, Senior Product Manager for the Dynamic Analysis Group here at GitLab. And today I wanted to walk through what we are working towards delivering in the 13.2 release of GitLab for DAST. We have a few things in the works, so let me just start by going through what we are delivering in the pipeline. So we are working towards delivering a more full security report in the pipeline view for DAST. So within the pipeline view, you'll be able to see some more details around what was found, the vulnerabilities that were found, and the URLs that were scanned. You'll be able to hide that scan detail if you don't want to see it. And then you'll be able to click on the URLs number to download, to see the list of URLs and download a full list if it's more than 20 URLs that have been scanned with the DAST scanner. The downloaded list will be in a CSV format that will allow for sorting and for you to really be able to validate that everything that you wanted to be scanned in that scan was actually covered. The next thing that we are doing is that we're adding more information on the standalone vulnerability page for the vulnerabilities that were found by DAST. So we'll be adding in things like the request method, the response status code, the request headers, and response headers. The big thing that we are working towards is delivering an on-demand scan for DAST. So this will allow you to create DAST scans outside of the pipeline so that you can scan your site without having any code commits or merge requests when you need to scan it to validate issues, to find things that may be going on outside of the code commits. So you'll be able to do this by going to a new area in the navigation where you'll be able to enter in your target URL and then scan your site outside of the pipeline. So this creates a scan, and then you'll be able to see the results of that scan. It looks like a pipeline, but it's run asynchronously outside of any merge request. The other thing that we're working towards with the on-demand scans is creating profiles for the different settings. That way you can switch back and forth between, say, an API scan versus a site scan. If you have multiple different URLs within a project that you would like to start as the target URL, you'll be able to switch back and forth between those as a profile rather than always reconfiguring the scan to have a new target. So these profiles, you'll be able to create them, save them, edit them, and delete them when we're finally finished with going through the entire feature. So you can see you'll be able to create a scan profile or a site profile in the next release. We're working specifically on this site profile so that you can have multiple sites that you want to scan within a project so you can easily switch back and forth between them. And these will be contained within a profile library. This will enable you to create and delete profiles easily within this library so that you can see exactly what you've created and what is there, what other people have created, so that you can delete or create new ones. In 13.2, we're working towards creating and deleting. In the next iteration past that, we'll be working towards editing these profiles. And once they are finished, then you'll be able to use those profiles within your on-demand scan so that you can just switch back and forth quickly between the profiles. And that is what we're working towards in 13.2. Thank you very much.